In this video, we will walk through how to send an SMS or text message to your volunteers through CERVIS. In order to be able to send SMS messages from your system, you will need to have an account with Twilio, a third-party provider, and your account key will need to be added to CERVIS. If you need more information about this process, please see the knowledge base article on this topic linked in the description, or reach out to your account representative. Your volunteers will need to opt in to receive text messages. They can do this when they initially create their profile by checking the box next to the phone number field. If they already have a volunteer profile, they can also opt in by logging into the volunteer portal, clicking on View or Update Volunteer Profile Information, and checking the box next to the phone number field. If you would like to see how to require a volunteer to view and update their profile on their next login, allowing them to mark their text-enabled number, we've included a link to a video of this feature in the description. Sending a manual text to one volunteer, multiple volunteers, or even your entire database can be done by clicking on Search Manage Volunteer Database under the Volunteer Management heading on the main dashboard. From this screen, you can search for and select the volunteers to whom you would like to send the message. Near the bottom of the screen, click the link to display additional options, and then click Send SMS Text Message. If you would like to include a volunteer that is not yet in your service system, you can manually type in their phone number here. Enter the content of your message, up to 160 characters, in the space provided. Then click Send SMS. In addition to sending manual messages, you can also set an event to send an automatic reminder SMS message. You can enable this feature while you're creating or updating an event. To enable a reminder SMS message for an existing event, click on Event Project Management from the main dashboard. Locate the event in question and click on the button to update or edit the event. Scroll to the middle of the page and locate the Send Automatic Reminder SMS field. You can set this to send a reminder 1 to 7 days, or 2, 3, or 4 weeks prior to the event.